Not sure who to call when your roof is starting to show signs of age, wear, or leaks? Maybe you're trying to figure out if you need a full replacement or maybe just a repair. In this video, I'll walk you through all the roofing services we provide, whether it's asphalt, metal, full replacements, or repairs. By the end, you'll know exactly what we do and whether or not we're the right fit for your home or building. Hi, I'm Billy. I'm a project manager at Hoel Roofing, and today we're going to go over some of the roofing services that we provide. You may be wondering what's included in our roofing inspection process and what we're looking for. When we show up at your property, the first thing we're going to do is a 360-degree inspection of the ground level of your home, inspecting soft metals, siding. Once we're done with the 360-degree inspection of the ground level, we'll throw a ladder up, we'll get on the roof, we'll look for immediate signs of damage, anything that's wearing and tearing. We're going to inspect the shingles. We're going to find out what kind of shingles are up there. We're going to look at the metals around the valleys, the drip edge, gutter apron, around any flashings on the chimney, and determine whether or not there's any hail damage up there, or just signs of age and wear. We'll capture all these images in CompanyCam, and then we'll be able to discuss them with you, show you anything that's going on with your roof. Then we'll discuss roof repairs versus roof replacements, what's best for you, whether we need to replace some shingles, an entire slope, or potentially an entire roof. Sometimes a repair may be better when it's something small like a pipe boot or just a shingle, or something that's causing a leak inside the home where you would just want to go ahead and repair that piece instead of replacing an entire slope or the entirety of the roof. The types of repairs that we most often do are repairs that are in the neighborhood of $2,000 or less. Anything over $2,000 and you're really starting to look at replacing a slope or maybe an entire roof. Now that we've covered repairs, let's talk about a full replacement. What does a full replacement include? At Hoel Roofing, we are going to take the roof down to bare wood. That means taking existing shingles, underlayment, starter, all the way off of the roof, discarding that, and then we'll rebuild the roof system from there. We're going to go back with synthetic underlayment, starter, shingles, ridge vent, ridge cap, everything. When you're done, you will have a 4-year labor warranty with Hoel Roofing, and you'll have the full warranty from the manufacturer. We do all of these things so that we can ensure quality, protection, and cleanup. Our crews work hard to ensure that there's limited debris, that a quality product has been installed, and that you're afforded the best protection in the industry. You may also be considering a metal roof over a shingle roof. At Hoel Roofing, we offer 3 different styles of metal roof: ag panel, in panel, and standing seam. Standing seam has an enclosed fastener with no exposed screws. The other 2 do. Ag panel is your entry-level panel. It has exposed screws, and that's typically what you'll see on most homes in your area. We also offer in panel, which is a higher end product with the look of standing seam, but it has exposed fasteners. There's also standing seam, which is a premium product with enclosed fasteners, but it's also more expensive. At Hoel Roofing, we source all of our metal from right here in Indiana. We have multiple different styles and over 25 colors to choose from. Now you may be asking yourself, can a metal roof be repaired? And the answer to that is generally yes. However, it's not as straightforward or as intuitive as a shingle roof. In some cases, you may have to remove more than just the damaged panel. You may have to replace an entire slope on your house. It just kind of depends on where the damage is, how bad it is, and how much we can get to without disturbing the panels on the side. We stand behind our metal roof installs. We've been doing this for over 8 years, and our crews work exclusively for us. With over 8 years in the industry and thousands of roofs competently installed, you can trust Hoel Roofing and Remodeling for all of your roofing needs. Whether you're dealing with a leak, planning ahead for a replacement, or thinking about switching to metal, we're here to make sure that you get the right roof, not just a new one. You can get an instant estimate at the link in the description, or you can give us a call at 765-561-4023. No pressure, just honest answers so you can make the right decision for your home.